For the past few weeks, Peter and I have toured the South Island on our motorcycles. We travelled with a ferry to Picton on the top of the South Island. From day one, we travelled over scenic mountain passes, iconic dirt roads like the Rainbow Road, Nevis Road and the Skipper Canyon Pass. We crossed the island in rain and beautiful sunny days. From east to west, Hokitika to Cromwell and Central Otago with its beautiful lakes. We visited Molesworth Sound before we rode to the most southern point of the bluff. Before we headed north again, Mount Cook, Lake Tekapo and Akarua. This has always been high on our bucket list, and finally we had the opportunity. Join us as we bring our journey and adventure to you. We trust you will enjoy the ride. Let's ramble on.
Destination, let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow.
So yeah, we're at this point where it joins the Molesworth Station Road, so we're just going to continue now for say another 50 or 60 kilometers until we get into Hanmer Springs. What do you think about the Rainbow Road so far?
Well, you got stung by a bee,
Yeah.
which you swallowed afterwards.
And it stung me in the throat, yeah.
And the throat. And yeah, look, we knew it's going to be hectic. For me, it's everything I expected, you know.
Well, it's beautiful, huh?
It's beautiful. I really hope. I'm glad we stopped for some drone footage. I hope you managed to have, because I thought the weather will be not right for drone footage. So I'm glad we could actually manage to do it. Yeah.
That's right. Momentum, Peter, I should go up here because there's quite a lot of steep curve. Remember, your bike is very strong, Adele. You just have to pull that lever and it will go. Twist the throttle.
I guess Skipper's Pass is a bit like this, right? Narrow and high, you know?
Yeah,
let's go where the
beautiful.
river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm. Let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. Grab sunglasses and the atlas. We can prove we're smarter than a phone. Let's go where there's no reception. See if we can make it on our own. Breathe deep in your chest. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm. Let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. The water's warm. Let's be reborn. The water's warm. Let's be reborn. We don't need a destination. Let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us.
I just quickly want to show you, look at it. We came right from the bottom there. We were in that valley and we came up all the way up here. This is really, really stunning, spectacular view. So nice.
But still, look at the blue color of the water.
We're about 10 kilometers away from Hanmer Springs now, and we're on Jolly's Pass. That's the last bit before we get to Hanmer Springs. Okay. Momentum is the name of the game. very, very nice past, very picturesque. Beautiful forest or something, I don't know. If you look over the trees, you can see the beautiful valley lying beneath. Oh, yeah, it is beautiful, beautiful valley of Hanmer Springs. Okay, and we arrive in Hanmer Springs 4:10. Been a long ride today from 10 till 4, so 6 hours altogether. But yeah, here we are. We're arriving at top 10 Hanmer Springs. Unit number 104. At least we're gonna have a dry. Oh yeah, I think it was a good idea. Adele, I think it was a brilliant idea. Can get things dry again.
I'm glad you're glad.
Look at the kitchen,
No.
bathroom, shower.
Everything the doctor ordered.
Are you happy?
Very happy. It's nice and warm.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack.
Hi everyone, we just arrived in Hanmer Springs and we're staying at the top 10. Peter opted to get a secure cabin because you can see how much it's raining, right? We'll probably offload our luggage. You can see here that all of our wet gear is outside. The rain literally broke in full force as we arrived, and yeah, we had to get rid of all of these wet clothes. So Peter is just getting our gear out, then we'll take a nice shower. He says he wants to walk back to town. I don't have a problem, but it's raining heavy and heavy here. But I mean, it's all good. We're having fun. And here comes Peter with our first bag.
Okay, here's one.
How was today for you, love? Did you enjoy the ride?
Fantastic. Probably one of the best desert roads or dirt roads we've done for a long time.
Yeah. It's not often that you get an opportunity, guys, to have such a nice, challenging road. So you literally have a lot of water crossings, gate openings, you have rain, you have sun and scenic all throughout. Lots of mountains. And yeah, we got into town, we quickly went for dinner. Just take a walk back later to the spa area and see how it is. But yeah, I mean this is looking awesome. It's just raining more though. I'm so glad Peter decided to get us a cabin. And feeling sorry for Peter right now because he's standing in the rain, working very hard on this.
Go back.
Thanks, lovey.